Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this quick and simple video, I will explain how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. It's common knowledge that Google Chrome provides an option to save passwords to make logging into websites easier and faster. But what happens if you share your device with someone else? Keeping old, unused, or sensitive passwords saved in your browser can expose you to potential risks. Therefore, it's important to regularly review and delete your saved passwords, especially from accounts you no longer use or don't want to access through your browser. I will guide you step by step on how to delete saved passwords from Google Chrome, especially for accounts saved in your Google Accounts Password Manager. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome, then click on the three dots in the top right of the screen, which is the browser's main menu. Then click on Passwords and Autofill, and then click on Google Password Manager. This will redirect you to the password management section associated with your Google account. This not only manages Chrome's local password vault, but it's also connected to your Google account, meaning these saved passwords can be synced across multiple devices signed in with the same account. Here, you'll see a complete list of saved websites, usernames, and password entries. You can browse this list or search for a specific website using the search bar. In my case, I have 2 Google accounts saved, and when you click on them, you will be asked to confirm your identity. So enter your password. This is a security measure to ensure that it is you who is making the change. Once you log in, you'll see your saved accounts. You can delete the account you want by clicking the delete icon. It will be deleted immediately, and your saved credentials will be permanently removed from your Google account, helping protect you from unauthorized access. Also, if you want to edit the account, click Edit and modify the password if it's changed. That's it for today's video. You've just taken a crucial step towards strengthening your digital security by managing and deleting saved passwords in Google Chrome. Regularly reviewing your saved credentials not only helps prevent unauthorized access, but also keeps your Google account organized and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more simple technical lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.